For the first time on record, the number of people who died from drug overdoses topped 100,000. Those deaths occurred between May of 2020 and April of this year. Health officials say the increase is tied to the pandemic and a more dangerous drug supply. Overdose deaths have been rising for more than 2 decades, but they've accelerated dramatically in recent years, jumping nearly 30% in the last year alone.
And the nation's overdose crisis is hitting young people particularly hard, highlighting why it's important for parents to talk to their kids about drugs. It's not always an easy conversation to have, of course. And joining us now is Gallagher. She's the Director of Education at Candor Health Education. Hello to you.
Hi, thank you for having me this evening.
Of course. You know what? I want to get your initial reaction when you heard this latest report and those numbers, the number of overdoses being way up.
Yeah, obviously this is tragic. We have been following the growth of synthetic opioids like fentanyl over the last several years. Highly lethal, and it's being used by younger and younger individuals, and really increasing the rate of overdose.
And I know you do a lot of work in the western suburbs, helping not just educate kids, but also educating their parents and those around them. We heard so much during the pandemic about how schools being closed, lockdowns were driving increases in teenage suicides as well as drug use. Is that what you were seeing? And is that how much of a role is that playing here?
You know, some experts are saying this might be pandemic related, but there really isn't clear evidence that this increase in overdose and drug use is completely tied to the pandemic, because it has been rising over many, many years.
Okay, so
yeah.
Yeah, no, I was just going to ask you, the next step in all of this would be, you know, when you see numbers like this, talk to your kids as best you can. How do you start that conversation? And I imagine it's got to be different with, let's say, a 17-year-old than it is with, you know, a 5-year-old.
Yes, I just want parents to keep in mind that the research says that about 90% of addictions take root during adolescence. So starting during adolescence is really too late. These conversations need to start with young children. Something as simple as learning how to read the label on medicine, learning that medicine is taken with a trusted adult, starting to teach kids about their brains and their bodies and what a drug is and how it can impact their growth and development.
Katie, I'm going to stop you right there. Unfortunately, we've got to go on to a press conference that Superintendent David Brown is having, but I promise that we're going to try to talk to you again in the future because it is an important topic.
Absolutely. Thank you for your time today.